Welcome to Cropilots Tractor Assembly Line. At Cropilots, we believe in blending tradition with innovation. Our mid-horsepower tractor assembly line embodies this philosophy. While we diligently uphold international quality and manufacturing standards, we remain ever committed to continuous improvement and learning. With the capability to produce 30,000 tractors annually, our assembly line is designed with efficiency in mind. However, it's not just about the numbers. We've integrated lean manufacturing practices to ensure balanced throughput and a keen focus on minimizing waste. Quality assurance is central to our operation. Every tractor is meticulously tested and screened through multiple quality checkpoints. It's a way to ensure that the machinery you receive meets a standard we're proud of. We're always open to sharing more about our processes and assembly line. If you're curious or wish to understand more about our approach, please don't hesitate to reach out. Whether it's detailed information, a facility tour, or just a conversation, we're here for you.